Hey, it's Mike with DirtKiller.com. Let's kill some dirt. Today I want to introduce our newest member of Pro.DirtKiller.com, and that is Soto's pressure washing, as you can see behind me. Now let's just take a look at their profile a little quickly. There we go. Alright, so it's brand new, so they don't have any reviews on Pro.DirtKiller yet. However, they do have reviews over on their Facebook page, which is right here. As you can see, they've got 5 stars out of 5 reviews. Let's take a look at those quick, see what people say about them. Quick and friendly service at a good price. They also do gutter cleaning. Somebody else said the gutters were very full, gutter cleaning. Soto did an amazing job on my home. I never expected it to come that clean. So there's a few of the reviews that they have. Now let's go take a look at some of their photos, which we've already looked at, and we know there's some good before and afters. So let's just go see what we've got. Some nice work here, but let's get some hardcore before after. Now let's see. So they're using a surface cleaner. That's nice work. Look at how dirty that is and how clean it comes. What else they got? Ooh, gravestones. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that. That's nice work, guys. Nice work. And what else do we have? Oh, there's their rig. So if you see this around the area. Oh, by the way, they're in the Athens, Georgia area. There's their rig. Let's see what else. Oh, there's a good before and after. Nice. Got a little, rinse off to do there, but no big deal. It'll be beautiful. I'm sure it was beautiful when you were done. Let's see what else we got. I saw a nice, deck washing. Nice. We like that. Using DRP. What else do we have? There was one really good chimney photo that I saw. Where did that go? Oh, check that out. All right, those propane tanks get nasty. And that looks very nice. Point is, folks, they're good at what they do. They've got good reviews, and I know that they use Dirt Killer products. They use Crack and Wash, the Boss, as well as some Ruster Buster, among other things. So if you're in the let's take a look at that. Nice. This is probably where they're using some Crack and Wash too, right? That oxidized roofs in the area. Crack and Wash will make them look new. So good job, Sotos, and welcome to the Pro.DirtKiller family. We look forward to seeing some more of your before and after photos, and hopefully this video helps drive some traffic to you. We appreciate your business, and anybody in Athens, Georgia, in that area, if you need pressure washing, check out Soto's Pressure Cleaning. Thanks for watching. My name's Mike. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.